This is the challenge I called Challenge Student Courses. You'll be given a template, an existing project with a bunch of comments. As you can see, there's just 3 assignment buttons and a result label, and each of these assignment buttons have a little requirement, a little assignment inside of them. They're each a little bit different. And so as you can see, what you're going to do is create instances of students and courses and just follow the instructions. For example, in this particular case, you're going to create a list of courses. You're going to create 3 sample courses, and you're going to use object and collection initializers, your choice, to populate these. Each course should have at least 2 students enrolled in them. Use object and collection initializers. Then what you do once you've created all this fake data in object or collection initializers, then what you're going to do is use the for each and iterate through each course, and then for each course, each student. All right, so when you run the application, and here I have the after, but I don't want to show you the code, obviously. It should look something like this. Now you'll make up your own data here, but we have each of the courses, and then I did a little indentation, and each of the students associated with each course. Okay. All right, so the next one is kind of the opposite. This time, instead of a list of courses, you're going to create a dictionary of students, and you're going to use the student ID from, and I guess this is worth pointing out, is that you have 2 classes here, the student class and the course class, all right? And so they're very simple classes. This one has a list of courses, and then the course has a list of students, okay? And you'll use them for different purposes, obviously. But on the second one, you're going to create a dictionary of students. You're going to make up all the details for 3 example students, and you're going to use the student ID as the key. Then you're going to add 2 courses to each student, and using object and collection initializers again, and then you're going to iterate through each student and print out to the web page each student's info and the courses that the student is enrolled in. So again, if you want to see the end result when we run the application, it's going to look something like this. Again, you'll use your own data, but you're going to have a given student, their ID and name, and then the courses that they're enrolled in. Okay? And then the last one requires that you create a new class of your own that will keep track of the grade as well as the course that the student is enrolled in. So you're going to have to add another class, and depending on your implementation, you have to modify existing classes to accommodate this new requirement. So you'll give each student a grade in each course that they're enrolled in. You're going to make up all that data, and then for each student, you're going to do, again, iterate through the student's course. I think in my particular case, I only created 1 student just because I got lazy. So for each student, you're going to print out every course that they're enrolled in, as well as the grade that they earned in that course. And so if you want to see kind of the end result of that, click on this 3rd assignment, and you can see here, student number 10, Pete Wentz, he's enrolled in 2 classes, Psychology 101, he got a 92, and Project Management 432, he got a 96. All right. All right, so that is the challenge. It's relatively simple. All it's trying to do is get you to flex your newfound object and collection initializer syntax muscles, as well as use the for each iteration statement and the var keyword. Okay? See what you come up with, and we'll see in the implementation the solution to this challenge in the next video. Thanks.